In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Notion account. Before we get started, just a quick reminder. Deleting your account is permanent. It will remove your data and any workspaces linked to that account. So if there's anything you might want later, take a moment to back it up or export your pages first. Once you're ready and sure you want to proceed, open Notion on your computer or in a browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. On the Notion interface, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might appear as your photo, your initials, or a simple avatar, depending on how you set up your profile. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu related to your account. From that menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Notion account, where you can adjust things like your email, password, and personal information. For deleting your account, we'll be focusing on the Account section here. Once you're in the Settings view, look for your name near the top of the page. It will usually be displayed as your profile name, sometimes alongside your email. Click directly on your name. This opens a more detailed account panel where Notion groups options related specifically to your user profile. In this detailed account panel, scroll until you find the option that says Delete My Account. This section is designed for when you've decided you no longer want to keep your Notion profile. Take a moment to read any notes or warnings that appear around this option so you understand what will happen. When you're ready, click Delete My Account. A confirmation window will appear to make sure you really want to do this. In that window, you should see a button that says something like Permanently Delete Account and 3 workspaces, though the number of workspaces may be different for you. This message is reminding you that not only your account, but also any workspaces you own under that account will be removed. If you're absolutely certain, click on Permanently Delete Account and 3 workspaces. After you confirm, Notion will start the deletion process, and your account and associated workspaces will be permanently removed.